Good morning student. In previous video we have seen the climate of Brazil. Today's video, dear student, we will teach the climate about our country India. Page number 28. Before explaining the climate of India, okay, we have to study the graph. Okay, see there on page number 28, figure number 4.5. Okay, see there student, there are 4 cities: Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Chennai. Okay, there is a minimum temperature, maximum temperature and rainfall in millimeter. So by studying, by observing this graph, okay, today's video we have to solve the questions. So see, first questions: what difference do you find in the rainy season of Chennai and other cities of India? Why? What is the difference between the rainy season in Chennai and other cities? Means Kolkata, Mumbai and Delhi. So dear student, all of you knows Chennai is more monsoon month. Chennai has a more monsoon month, but receive less amount of rainfall than any other cities. Means in Chennai, okay, there are 2 monsoon months, okay, or you can say 2 monsoon, more monsoon month, but receive very less amount. If you will see, they receive very less amount than any other cities. This because it has 2 monsoon season, the summer monsoon and winter monsoon. So means in Chennai, okay, they receive rainfall in winter season also. The summer monsoon originated in the area of high pressure in the southern Indian Ocean, okay, below in the southwest to northeast direction. Okay, means in the winter season also they receive a rainfall because the high pressure, due to the high pressure. So the winter season means northeast monsoon, okay, blow from the land to sea, and hence it is dry. So dear student, difference between, okay, the difference between than any other cities, because there is a 2 monsoon season, summer monsoon season and winter monsoon season. Next questions: what similarity do you see in the temperature curve of Delhi and Kolkata? Now we have to compare the Delhi and Kolkata. What similarity? What दोनों में similarity क्या है in the temperature? The average minimum temperature is almost same. If you will see Delhi and Kolkata curve, okay, about temperature, the average minimum temperature is almost same throughout the year in the both cities. उस दोनों सिटी का जो एवरेज टेम्परेचर वो कैसा है, सेम है. नाउ सी थर्ड क्वेश्चंस: कैलकुलेट द एवरेज रेंज ऑफ मिनिमम एंड मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर ऑफ ऑल 4 सिटीज. ये जो चारों सिटीज वहाँ पे दिए है ग्राफ में, ओके, दिल्ली, कोलकाता, चेन्नई एंड मुंबई, ओके, उसका पूरा मतलब मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर कितना है. The maximum temperature is 33 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. We can infer that the climate of all 4 cities is almost similar. Next questions: in which city is the range minimum? What can you infer from this? Okay, मतलब बहुत ही you can see in which city is the range minimum. Okay, which city? Delhi has a minimum temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. Delhi has an extreme type of climate, or if you will see, Delhi has a 40 degree Celsius, okay, temperature is there, and you can see that Delhi has an extreme type of climate. Next questions: in which city is the range maximum? What can you infer from some of this climate? The climate of Mumbai is moderately hot with high level of humidity. Okay, Mumbai is It will see near the coastline of Arabian Sea. That's why the temperature is moderate. Okay, due to the hot wind, there is a high humidity, means humid climate. Next questions, based on the temperature and rainfall of Mumbai, okay, comment about this climate. Mumbai experience variation in climate. It is coldest in December. Okay, there is a variation in climate in Mumbai in December. Okay, they experience very cold climate December and January. Experience rain in June to September. और वहाँ पे रेनी सीजन कब होता है? जून टू सितंबर. एंड हैज़ ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट इन लेटर ईयर. एंड उसके बाद में पूरा क्लाइमेट कैसा होता है? ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट्स. इन विच मंथ डज इंडिया एक्सपीरियंस द हाइएस्ट रेनफॉल? इंडिया एक्सपीरियंस द हाइएस्ट रेनफॉल इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई. और सबसे ज़्यादा बारिश इंडिया में, मीन्स ऑल ऑफ यू नोज वी गेट रेनफॉल फ्रॉम द मानसून विंड. एंड हाइएस्ट रेनफॉल इन विच मंथ? बेसिकली इन जुलाई. कौन से मंथ में ज़्यादा बारिश होती है? जुलाई और कभी कभी अगस्त में. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस, क्लासीफाई द सिटीज एज सिटीज विद इक्वेबल एंड एक्सट्रीम क्लाइमेट. ओके, आंसर इज मुंबई हैज़ अ मॉडरेट क्लाइमेट, वेयर एज मुंबई का क्लाइमेट कैसा है? मॉडरेट है. ओके, नॉट वेरी हाई, नॉट वेरी लो. वेयर एज कोलकाता, दिल्ली एंड चेन्नई हैव एक्सट्रीम क्लाइमेट. एंड rather than Mumbai, okay, Kolkata, Delhi and Chennai, okay, there is a extreme very high climate is there in other cities than the Mumbai. In this way, dear student, today's video we have seen the graph 4.5. okay, next video, dear student, we will see the, you can say, detailed information the climate of India. Okay, so next video, okay, we will see next information of this lesson. Thank you.